ScalaHosting is a name that often comes up when you're looking for reliable web hosting, but before you make a decision, there are a few things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to some of the other hosting giants like Bluehost or SiteGround. I'm going to walk you through 7 things that could change your mind, or make you feel even more confident about choosing ScalaHosting. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this, especially since I'll also show you how to get the best deal possible. First off, ScalaHosting offers something that many competitors don't: managed VPS hosting at an affordable price. Most VPS services charge a premium for management, but with Scala, you're getting full management at a price that's usually reserved for unmanaged plans. What does this mean? They take care of the technical side, so you don't have to. This is a game changer, especially for businesses that need performance but lack the technical expertise. If you've looked into VPS hosting with other companies, you know how important this is. Next, let's talk about performance. ScalaHosting uses SSD storage, which is a must for fast websites. Now, while this is pretty standard among web hosts, Scala goes one step further by offering cloud VPS solutions. This means you're not just getting fast storage, you're getting scalable resources that are perfect for businesses that expect to grow. If you're tired of dealing with shared hosting slowdowns, this could be the solution you've been searching for. With competitors, you're often locked into certain server resources, but ScalaHosting lets you scale as you go with no extra headaches. The third thing to know is that ScalaHosting is built for ease of use. If you're someone who struggles with complicated cPanel interfaces, you're going to love their custom control panel. It's intuitive and easy to use even if you're not tech savvy. This is where Scala really sets itself apart. While other hosting companies like SiteGround use cPanel, ScalaHosting's panel is faster, more streamlined, and better for managing your hosting environment. And if you're worried about the learning curve, don't be. They offer great support to guide you through every step. The fourth thing you need to know is their customer support. ScalaHosting support team is available 24/7, and they're very knowledgeable. I've had to use their support a couple of times, and I can tell you that they respond quickly and offer solutions that actually work. This is crucial when you're working with web hosting because downtime can cost you customers. Some hosts, like GoDaddy, often leave you stuck in long queues or provide canned responses, but Scala's team is hands-on and genuinely helpful. Fifth, we need to talk about their pricing. ScalaHosting is very competitive, and when you compare it to other premium VPS hosting services, it often comes out cheaper. You're getting top-tier features without the premium price tag. Whether you're going for a basic shared hosting plan or a full-fledged VPS, ScalaHosting delivers more for your money compared to the likes of Bluehost or HostGator. And don't forget, you can try it for free with the link below. Yes, you heard that right. Now, let's look at the flexibility of their plans. Unlike other providers who lock you into specific resources, ScalaHosting gives you flexibility in your hosting choices. Whether you're looking to host a simple website or a resource-heavy web application, they have a plan that can scale with you. This flexibility makes it a great choice for both beginners and growing businesses. It's the kind of hosting that adapts to your needs, which is why I really like Scala over other hosts that push you into rigid plans. And finally, security. ScalaHosting takes security seriously. They offer free daily backups, which is critical if something goes wrong. Plus, they include free SSL certificates with every plan, helping to protect your website from security breaches. Other companies often charge extra for SSL certificates, but Scala includes them as part of their basic packages. With hackers constantly evolving their methods, having built-in security is a huge advantage, and ScalaHosting gets it right. If you want to try ScalaHosting for yourself and get the best offer, be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive free trial and some great extra benefits. This is the best way to test everything out without any risk. Don't miss out. Check it out now.